Hello guys, today we brought to you iPhone 11 Pro battery replacement. It is very important to turn off the phone before we start any repairs on the phone. Like any other iPhone, we have to open the bottom pentlobe screws. After that, very carefully and gently we will apply the heat around the LCD. Because iPhone 11 Pro comes with a seal which has adhesive in between mid-frame and LCD. By applying the heat, it will loosen up the stickiness and it will become easy to remove the LCD from the frame. After that, we're going to use a suction tool to create a cavity for our guitar pick to start prior opening the LCD. Make sure when we are opening the LCD with the guitar pick does not go in too much and it only cuts in between that adhesive. Once successfully we have opened the LCD, now we can start removing the metal plate which is covering all the connectors. We will open the 5 screws on it. It is always safe that if we remove the connectors from the motherboard of the LCD and keep the LCD on the side out of the way while we are working on any other repairs on the phone. Now we are going to remove the safety plate of battery connector on the motherboard. It has 2 screws. Using plastic spudger tool, we will disconnect the battery. Let's remove the other metal plate from the bottom. It has 4 screws, as you can see. It's very easy to remove. It will be out of the way, and again use the plastic spudger tool to disconnect all the connectors. Also, it is important for us to remove this metal plate on the side which is covering the charging port flex, so we can reach the adhesive which is under the battery. Use the plastic spudger tool to disconnect them. Now we can reach the adhesive tape under the battery. We start to pull it out. Carefully, slowly, take your time, patiently try to pull it, because once you break it, it becomes very difficult to remove. Once those tapes are being pulled, use plastic spudger tool to pick it up, because sometime you might have not completely able to remove the adhesives from the battery. Never use any metal tool near the lithium batteries because they are very easy to blast. Now simply reverse the whole procedure. Put the adhesive back on the battery. There is this way we can also put the adhesive, cut them, and put it in a way that in future if you again want to remove the battery, you're easily able to pull off that adhesive. Push it down a little bit, make it properly sit within the frame. Start connecting all the connectors back. Put all the metal plates, important plates, whatever we removed from, just put them back. Make sure your charging port is secured by the metal plate we have removed. Put all the necessary screws and then put the metal plate which was covering the battery connector with 2 screws. Just reverse the whole method. Put all the metal plates and screws back on. Once you're done, you think everything is back, safe on, connect your LCD back. Carefully, don't damage the flex. Just try to put pressure on the connectors, not on the cable, and connect it back on the motherboard. Now put back the metal plate we removed. Put all the 5 screws back in. Carefully bring the LCD back on the mid-frame and work your way around slowly and steady. Push it back in. Make sure it is sitting properly. Turn on the phone and check if it's working. Ours working. That's good. Put the bottom screws back on. And that is it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Please let us know what you think. See you soon.